Hi guys, sitting in the car. What is it, Monday the 29th? I don't remember. January. Yeah, just been to Henleaze, which is the far side of Bristol for me. Had a look at the charity shops there. They tend to be twice as expensive as the charity shops I normally go to. That's probably a good example. I'll probably pay £1 for that normally, although they have gone up in price in the charity shops, but yeah, £2.50 here. But I thought I'll buy it anyway. I can probably scan in the instructions and make a 3D printed version as well, so I could get 2 videos for the price of 1. And then another charity shop, St Peter's Hospice, Clockwork Submarine, £1.99. That's not a bad price because it's still in the original packaging. I do love clockwork things and I like submarines, so I had to buy that one. Only problem is, where am I going to test it? Ideally a swimming pool. I should think the bath, or our bath, is probably not big enough. I mean, it'll work in the bath, but it probably won't be able to go very far. On the other hand, I've no idea how far it'll go. The bath might be all it can do. So we might give it a try in the bath. Sold by House of Marbles down in Bovey Tracy in Devon. Can't see a date on it anywhere. Oh. Childhood Memories from House of Marbles. Okay, so I bought 2 things. I did see a few things that I didn't buy because they were too expensive, so I might put them in my things I didn't buy shorts video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.